Welcome one and all you fantastic Austroflamm and Rika people out there. How you doing? I'm making this quick short, and I'm going to try to start making really quick shorts. Now, if I end up making a video that's a little bit longer than, say, 10 minutes, then I'm not going to list it as a short. Alrighty? So today what we're looking at is the cage nuts on this Rika 2. Now, I have put a video out discussing this already. But I did not focus on just replacing the cage nut and resealing the cage nut. As you can see here, this is an existing Rika 2 that was traded in, and the cage nuts sealant has pulled away. Those are major air leaking points, which will throw air codes on your stove. Let me show you really quick what we got going on here. You're going to want to get a screwdriver in there, pop off the old sealant. As easy as that. Now, here's your cage nuts. You can purchase them 1, 2, 3, or 4 of them, okay? Or 5, excuse me. And you normally want to replace them if by chance they are stripped out, or if you broke a bolt off in them and they're just not holding your back firewall securely. Okay, it's really an easy fix. Trying to get this one out here. Now, here's the cage nut. See those little wings right there? Those actually are pushed through the stove, and they lock inside of the firebox and holds itself in there tight. Okay, so in order to take them out, take a screwdriver, push up, and just lift them out. I'll show you here. Okay, again, these wings are sticking inside here. Just take a screwdriver, pop, pop, bingo. Put the new one in, pop it in like so. Next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take high temp silicone, normally red, anything 500 degrees or higher, listed in the high temp description. Coat it completely. I'll put a picture up here of a stove that I just did so that you can see it. Bada bing. You've just now swapped out your old cage nut. So if you guys have any questions, if you need cage nuts, if you need firewall bolts, if you need a back firewall insulation board, any type of gasketing, motors, fans, you name it, email us at offgridstoves@gmail.com. You can try to call us at 800-348-1021, but we will take up to 24 hours to return your call. Thanks a lot for watching. Please hit subscribe and you'll get all of the new videos that we upload. You'll be alerted to them. And also, we have sales and deals going on right now, which you're going to want to be alerted to, because I'm only going to have onesies, twosies on these products. But they will have a significant savings, and you just might be interested in it. Alrighty? You guys stay safe out there. Peace. And I'm here to talk to you about something that many of you have been asking for. When we talk about replacing motors and gaskets and so forth on your stove, many of you have been asking us, do you have one kit to where if I want to say in spring when I shut my stove down, take my stove off, disconnect it from the liner or the chimney system, put it out in the shop up on the bench or whatever, and completely overhaul it. Do you have a gasket kit assembly put together for those of us out here that like to do that or want to do that? Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We have answered your prayers. Today, we are announcing that we have a new Austroflamm Rika overhaul kit. This kit's pretty much going to help you rebuild your stove gasket-wise in order to eliminate any air leaks that could possibly be affecting your stove from functioning properly. Alrighty, so if you would like one, email us at offgridstoves@gmail.com, or you can give us a call at 800-348-1021, and give us at least 24 hours to get back to you from the months of September to March, and it could be possibly into April, unless what's his name, Punkatani Phil, the groundhog, says that we're not supposed to have as long of a winter. But I don't know, I've seen on TikTok that Punkatani Phil, that groundhog's doing drugs, so you never know. So anyhow, you guys stay safe out there. Thank you for all of the wonderful comments and all of the support that you give to Julie and I. We truly appreciate it. And a huge shout out to all of the military and first responders out there that are sacrificing so much in keeping our country and our streets safe. Thanks a lot.